Hooked on the feeling, ba-da-da-ba-ba. Can't wait to eat this, da-da-da-da-da.
This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're making a dish that you guys requested. You asked for it, and I'm gonna deliver. So today, we're making Fettuccine Alfredo. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cookin' in Brooklyn and to the Bridgeside Network. So let's get started before I change my mind. Hey, go Bridgeside. So let's get right into the ingredients. We got some heavy cream. For pasta, we got fettuccine, salt, black pepper, which is optional, pecorino cheese, which is also optional, Parmesan cheese, you're definitely gonna need that, some butter, and olive oil. We're gonna throw our fettuccine in. Hey Dave, I know you're excited about this dish. Then we're gonna grab some salt. We're gonna add some salt. And then for this dish, we're gonna add some olive oil because the fettuccine, they kind of stick together. This will break it up a little bit. Give it a little mix. All right, so we're gonna let the pasta cook for about 9 minutes, but in the meantime, we're gonna get started with our Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna turn this flame on, and we're gonna grab our butter, say just a little less than half a stick of butter. Next step, we're gonna grab our heavy cream, and we're gonna pour our heavy cream in. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much because we also got the salt in the pasta water. Now I said earlier, the black pepper was optional. I'm gonna use it because I think it goes great with the heavy cream.
Adds a little color too.
I know it's all about the taste, but it doesn't hurt to look pretty.
If it doesn't look appetizing, it's not gonna taste appetizing.
Don't ever judge a book by its cover, Dave. All right, so we're gonna mix that around. We're just gonna let this sit, just like that, till our pasta is ready. All right, so since we have some time, let's talk a little history here. This dish was made in Rome, Italy by a man named Alfredo di Lilio. In early to mid 20th century, he had a restaurant where he would make this dish tableside. And he only used Parmesan cheese and butter. Later, it came to the States, and the Americans, because we love to live in excess, added the heavy cream. So this is how we got our version of Fettuccine Alfredo. I'm a scholar and a cook.
Not only do I love food, I love the history. I like to know where my food comes from, you know?
Me too, I Wikipedia'd it about 5 minutes ago. So Dave, you want to taste this, see if it's ready?
What kind of question is that?
Yeah, you know what? I burnt the crap out of you the last few times. Let me try to see if I can get you.
I want to drain a little bit of that water, huh? You're really trying to kill me, huh? Pretty good.
Done?
I think it's ready.
All right, so pasta's ready. I'm gonna shut off flame. Let's get this cover on.
You would think by now you learn how to use that thing.
I did. I'm a pro. All right, let's strain this.
Kid's getting a steam bath over there. Now I gotta take a leak.
It's good for the pores.
Better than a sauna, no?
Yeah, and it's free.
And you get to eat.
We're gonna grab the fettuccine, and we're gonna throw it right into the sauce.
I always love this part.
All right? I'm gonna mix this around. All right, so at this point, we're gonna grab our pecorino cheese. I'm gonna throw that right in. A little generous there. And we're gonna grab our Parmesan cheese and throw that right in. Grab our black pepper again. And we're gonna mix this all up. This looks absolutely delicious. It's getting nice and creamy now. There's a beautiful texture now because the cheese is melted in there too.
Can't go wrong with cheese.
You really can't.
Especially pecorino.
All right. So we're just gonna let this cook now together for, I'd say no more than 30 seconds because we're basically done. And you see how easy it is? There wasn't that many ingredients to it. Don't go to the store, don't buy the canned Alfredo sauce. I don't want to see that ever again after this. And you can always be creative with this dish too, okay? You can throw shrimp in here, you can throw broccoli in here, you can throw your grilled chicken in here, you can do whatever you want, bacon, it's all up to you. I left it nice and simple. I gave you the base, which is the Fettuccine Alfredo.
It's very versatile.
This dish is calling your name. Let's grab you a bowl and let's plate this out for you. And I'm a man of my word. Fettuccine Alfredo. Doesn't that look unbelievable? And now, Dave, you can let Jamie from Instagram know how good my Fettuccine Alfredo is.
I just want to say I'm so happy you're a man of your words and you delivered upon what you said. You know what? I'm going to take a little bit of this pecorino, a little bit of this parmesan, and I'm going to go like this.
Voila.
There you have it. Voila. I'm a magician now. Get started here. A little mixture.
You know what that sounds like? Fettuccine Alfredo. What's wrong with you people?
Fettuccine's so creamy. It's heavy though.
Yeah, so are you.
It's messed up. You fat shaming now?
Never, brother.
You tell your fans you fat shaming people.
Never. You have a physique that was made for an Italian god.
If they keep eating your food like this, they'll look like me too. Why don't you guys let me finish this alone? You know, I don't want to scare the kids.
And while David's finishing taking care of business, remember, if you're ever having a bad day, there's nothing better than a dreamy, creamy dish of Fettuccine Alfredo.
Go Bridgeside.
This has been another Cookin' in Brooklyn. Thank you very much for watching. We always appreciate it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to Cookin' in Brooklyn and to the Bridgeside Network. Thank you.
Go Bridgeside.